But I just want to maybe differ from from the point of mechanized farming, where a desire for promote mechanized farming. Yes, indeed, we did mechanized farming so that we not go itself. But we believe, say, commercial farming doesn't mean mechanized farming. We believe, say, we can do commercial farming without mechanization. Because before this time, the world will be itself without machines, right? Will be the people said without machines. As recent as 1970, Sierra Leone be the export west. How many machines were here? The Leones and the dollar were the same in weight. Will be the exports. Machines not be there. We just don't become lazy. We don't want to take the holes now. Go on a farm. Yes, it is true say we need machines, but go as we wait for the machines, don't know where till we die. Don't go back to the banks, at least produce for what your family eats. I think say that will help you. If we say we wait for machines, when we get machines, how many of you now get money to buy machines? Who's that machine the work? The machine on the now two advantages you get. One, they work faster. Two, they prevent you from making you not go. That's the see what the machine they do. But if machine can work 50 acres of land, people can as well do. Right? People can as well do 50 acres of land, 100 acres of land. We will come together and send young people there. Maybe we will contact the military, we will contact the police. The military, yes, we respect them, then they defend this country. But as now, they're just dumb. Call the prisoners, so all go on a farm. China say, oh, all the admire. China start with manpower. They're all going to farm. We will see some of them documentaries and they will China begin. The Great War, the whole world today, when you go China, you want to go now the Great War. Now hence the use of Bila. So we as well can go to farm, try to produce what we want to produce, and sustain life. We try to build the economy, we'll get the money that will buy the machines. But me, in my ideology, I not believe in buying machines. I believe so we will produce some like I believe say anything we will use as Africans will be produced by us. Because most of them say the way they can. Not only that they can for the climate, you know, do agriculture. One of the disadvantages of why these machines they call mechanized farming. Now what's it? Because of the climate. It's not so. They put out need agriculture now, we don't need them. But because of the climate, it make the machines and the stay longer. Because not for ya. So you see, so nobody, as the sister don't say, nobody develop the system, the engineers the work they produce. It's shameful for those who say we get engineers that are Chinese man they live the roads. Chinese man food they eat. It don't make sense to me. It's shameful for those who get carpenters in Sierra Leone or in Africa. Which beginning is done and gone. Will they take you timbers and now they send them outside? All of this to me don't make sense. So don't put the technicians together. Don't bring them together and build the system. So okay, well we are all this now cook. We make sure we produce uniform for military. We make sure we produce uniform for police. Why you make out uniform for show uniform now? We don't get tell us why we count other equipment. We don't get people that will get like the door where all man reference to in Sierra Leone. There are hundreds of people that can be done in Sierra Leone. If you check that in those direct on radio, so would I even make radio station on a camp? We get hundreds of Sierra Leoneans for the promote. We need to put them together. When they try to see, they put their ideology together, they put their sense together, they will be able to produce things that we said. But we don't become lazy, what we want, what we buy. This by buying, I don't know today the economy don't see. The economy doesn't don't see. As I did up here yesterday, I see a WhatsApp message come to me saying $1 million. You see, that's so bad. Why? Because the more you buy, the more you buy. We need to produce, and I think agriculture is the way, as Mrs. Saputa. Agriculture is the only way we be able to ensure say we produce more. We believe say agriculture they solve over 70% of the problems. Over 70% of the problems agriculture will solve that. Why? Go in a school, the teacher will say agriculture provides food as an importance. Not so, but then we see now how food situation in Sierra Leone. Look at what we eat just now. It's not enough for me. Why go to the US, they will service it, put you once now you take. Food there outside. If you don't want what they do and the body go now do any side you turn, what they can do now don't work and still cannot see no food. Any side in the US food day, what are shops they do for food day done? Any side you turn in the seafood. Who side you go, I don't know if the other side and so day. Now Washington you go, I don't know if New York and so back they but from people who don't go at the other sectors there, they say Washington itself food no day. But me say food day because as compared to that. So any side go food day, that is agriculture. Would they able to do that? The other importance of agriculture they tell us school now what they say agriculture provides what jobs. No, so and the highest right in Sierra Leone or in Africa, now lack of jobs. Yesterday, one of the panelists they say it is about employability. To me, I want to differ. Right? We get about 800,000 graduates right now, or active job seekers in Sierra Leone. You want to tell me say that they're all not employable? It is because there is no employment, right? You don't get space for go. You don't get no side for go. Even to answer for your job right now, it's just daily because other side for go. Just someone people how you solve right in a job. If you get on other side, in the US, today the day under, you commodity if you want, you go other side. I swear some man in the dead job. Today. But job no day. You say putting at the job. The people who talk about volunteering yesterday, the people they agree open space for them, this and that. That is because there is no job. The one who has staff, the fear say, if this volunteer I can't prove them, they have lost me job. Some volunteers they pass staff and employ that they look for. So they give space. It happens to me, I started as a volunteer. I was so brilliant in the job that I win staff of the month in my working place as a volunteer. So there is no difference between a volunteer and a staff. The only difference is that they pay you, they pay. But at the same job they do, I win staff of the month. So you see, so the person they give chance. So don't go back to agriculture and create more jobs. Even then, Article 8 of the Sustainable Development Goals, which talk about good jobs, right? And economic growth. Why? Agriculture they will increase the one day. Agriculture, as I don't say, it solves 70% of the problems. They will solve Article 1 of the Sustainable Development Goals, when no poverty. When they get money, not so is agriculture. 2, no hunger. What are they another evil? Nobody needs to sleep angry into agriculture. 3, education. No, 3 now health. No, so agriculture provide medicines. No, so number 4 now good education, as this is the agenda today in Sierra Leone. Agriculture will help because they begin to go to school and then let them flop. When you're in school, you know it's nothing, like we will go through that. Teachers they talk, you don't understand. You know they listen. Number 5, say what thing? Gender equality, when we see second account of what? Is it number 5 of the Sustainable Development Goals? So you see, then we need to look at number 9 of the Sustainable Development Goals. We need to implement it to the fullest so that we achieve what we want to achieve. That are industries, innovation, and infrastructure. That are 9 of the Sustainable Development Goals. So if we were able to implement that one day in this country, we industrialize everything what we do. We get people to do things in smaller scale, but we need to beef them up to a certain point where they would be able to industrialize them and use innovation and some of the infrastructures that we need so that we will move forward.